Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Warzone 2 error application unexpectedly stopped working on PC. So in this video I will show you a couple of solutions, and without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you can do here, you can open up Steam or Battle.net client and then go to library, right click on it, go to properties, and make sure to go to local files and verify integrity of game files. So maybe your game has some corrupted files you need to fix. So this thing will delete corrupted files and replace them with the good ones, right? And so verify integrity of the game files, and if the problem will be persist, then what you need to do here, you need to disable full screen optimizations. And to do so, go to local files, go to browse here, and then once you're on this window, you need to find cod.exe and right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure disable full screen optimization is on, right? And all the other options is off. Press apply and OK. And guys, if the problem persists, then the next thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system. So on search, just check for updates here and update your operating system to the latest version, and of course then restart computer. As well, you can update your GPU. So I don't know if you're using AMD or NVIDIA GPU. So if you're using AMD, you probably know how to update drivers, but on NVIDIA, I will show you how you can do that. So go to GeForce Experience or download it. And then what you need to do here next is to press drivers and here check for updates here. And if there is some updates, you will get the notification here, and then you can basically install the drivers, right? And when you update your drivers and the problem persists, what you can do here, you can go on this little settings bar here, scroll down and disable in-game overlay, and also you can turn on image scaling. So basically with the same performance you will be getting a little bit better quality, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can go on display settings here, make sure that scale and layout is on recommended, and display the resolution also on recommended as well. And here you can go to graphic settings and here you need to go to browse, and then you need to go to your local disk where you install Call of Duty, and then you need to go to program files, and then you need to go to Steam, and here you need to go to Steam apps, and then you need to go to common, and then you need to go to Call of Duty HQ, and then you need to add this application here. And after you add it, then you need to click on it, go to options, and make sure you set up on high performance, right? And basically that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.